Hey YouTube, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a mono microphone sound like stereo. Okay, so you can see we got the clip that you guys just saw, and what you want to do is I'm going to show you how you can do a hard shift and a soft shift, so kind of like a immediate left to right and a soft left to right. So what you want to do is you're going to want to select the clip you want to work with, and then see right here where it says panner, you're going to want to click down on that, and then you'll see where it says balance, and then you can see the clip starts off with me on the right hand side of the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to balance, and I'm going to change this to a positive value. I'll make it 80. So positive values are the right hand, negative values are on the left hand. And then what I want to do is see transition without saying a word. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this clip. I'm going to do the same value, except I'm going to make it a negative value. Now you can make the value whatever you want, just know that higher number means higher effect. So if you want a soft effect, use a lower value. If you want a hard effect, use a higher value. I'm using 80, so you guys will be able to see that. The audio starts off from the left-hand side of the screen. What is up? And moves to the right-hand side. Now with this clip here, you can see that I'm kind of sort of starting off from the left, but I'm not totally there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click this little toggle gear thing. You see that? And it makes a keyframe. I don't want a keyframe there yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the value of this -60. Okay, and we're going to let it Today
play
I'm going
out.
to show you how to make a
Right there, when I get right over there to the far right, I want to make the value positive now. And it looks like I'm further over, so I'm going to make the value 80. So you guys are going to be over here.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a mono
Move over. Now as you can see, oops, I move back.
microphone sound
So we're
like
going to
stereo.
change value again. We're going to make the value go right there. Oh, that's a little too far. About there. We're going to make the value -80. There.
Hey YouTube, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a mono microphone sound like stereo.